Thinking about upgrading to Windows 11 but worried about your data? In this video, I'm showing you the most reliable way to transition from Windows 10 using the official Microsoft Update Assistant. This method keeps all your files, apps, and settings exactly where they are. I've already prepped the steps, so we're going to go from the initial search to the final restart in just a few minutes. Let's get your system up to date. To get started, open your browser and search for Windows 11 Installation Assistant in the search bar. Now, open the official Microsoft link from the search results. Make sure you're downloading it from the official source. Click on Download Now to get the Windows 11 Update Assistant. I've already downloaded it, so I'll open it directly. Run the Update Assistant. If you see a permission pop-up, click Yes to continue. Once the setup opens, click on Accept and Install to begin the upgrade. Now just be patient. The tool will download Windows 11 and install it automatically. This may take some time, depending on your internet speed and system performance. After the installation is complete, you'll see two options: Restart Later or Restart Now. To complete the upgrade, click Restart Now. Make sure to save your work before restarting. And that's it. Your system is now successfully upgraded to Windows 11 using the official method. If this helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple tech guides.